Hi, how are you?
Yes, I'm great, ma'am. And what about you?
I'm also doing great. So, how's your day going? How's your day shaping up?
My day was shaping up good, like fantastic. Actually, today I have some work, so I go outside, and then I came back. So I think I was have a session with someone. I was thinking I have a session with someone, so like I got a message from you, so that is why I'm here with you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, we are meeting for the first time. Could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, I will like, sorry. My name is Preeti, and holding the degree of MBA. It's my academic. I was working before, but previously I was working as a financial advisor. Recently, I started my YouTube channel. I'm running only one channel, but I was thinking to create a one more channel. So that is about to the conversational video. So why I started my YouTube channel. So that is why that is started for the learning the language, and because when I start to learn this language, simultaneously I started my YouTube channel, and I'm having two kids, so that is pretty much about me, I would say.
Okay. So,
So
from my side, my name is Radha. I come from Agra. And if I talk about my education, recently, right now I'm doing masters in economics. And if you talk about my hobbies, I love to listen music. I am kind of myophile, and sometime I love to cooking also. And if I talk about my YouTube sessions, YouTube channel, I started my YouTube in July 2025. Yes, I'm learning every day. I'm improving every day. So this is all about me.
great to know here about you. Like we all are the learners, I think. So we are trying to more and more conversation. That way we are learning more and more things, right?
Yeah, we are learning. So today I have one topic, not a topic. Like yesterday, I read one quote. The world is very quick to judge, but late to understand. So why do people judge others so quickly? What's your opinion?
Okay, why people are judging to others quickly, right? So
Yes.
actually, what is the thing? Actually, they was thinking influenced by them, by the social media. We all knows, like whenever we go through the social media, so we just watching to others, and they are saying something, and they are expressing their self in a different way. Like some have a different life, superficial thing is different, and their inner side is different, but we don't know. So we think like whatever the lives they are living, so we are influenced by that, so that is a quickly affect to us, because we don't know what is going on inside there, and outer thing is different. They are just showing their smiley face, they are exploring the country, and but whatever they are doing, but that is not the actual thing. That is the hidden thing, can say, because in the inside, like you don't know, like everyone don't know what is going inside there. So that is why we people are affected quickly by because one thing is there, like social media is the main part of the affecting and influence to the people. So it's quickly affect, because whatever we see and whatever we listen, so that will be affected to our life also.
Definitely, I agree with you. Totally agree with you. Social media is one of the most dangerous things. And why people often judge other quickly? Because it is easier than trying to understand their situation. Because judgment is very easy. Judgment is fickle nowadays. People will not understand everyone, and sometimes they rely on first impression, like stereotypes or incomplete information. Instead of asking questions or listening carefully, they form opinions
Right.
immediately, which can lead to misunderstandings. And nowadays, I can say that judgment and the world opinion are material. And I always say, trust yourself, trust your own path, because criticism, trust, and praise are fickle nowadays, because mind change in seconds.
Right.
Like, yeah, so we can easily judge someone in first impression, but we don't. So this is my opinion on that.
I want to add
And
one more thing also. What thing
yeah,
is happen, like when we are going for the marriage, right? So when you are finding the companion guy for someone else, so what we are thinking of other towards person, like we are just seeing their superficial, like one meeting you just judge to them, and then you have to get married, right? So
yeah,
like why we are just first impression, like whatever the first impression they are making to us, so we already influenced with them, because we all know first impression is the last impression. That is why.
Yeah, because sometimes we judge someone in confundatory way, like in normal way. We don't go in deep because if you spend a time a lot, you understand other people.
Right.
But in first impression, you judge in confundatory way, only in normal. So this is not happened. Okay, my second question is why is understanding someone more difficult than judging them?
Why someone?
Why is understanding someone more difficult than judging them?
Okay. Why understanding to someone more than judging?
More difficult than judging them. Like understand इतना difficult क्यों है? Judgment. हम judge हर किसी को कर लेते हैं,
Right.
but understand क्यों नहीं कर पाते?
Because of that we are not living with them. First thing is that because we are not living with them, because whenever you are living with someone else, then you understand their character and their life and their thoughts and their everything we understand, because we understand and we accept to each other also. And we are
Yes,
talking
yes.
about the judgment. Why we are talking about, like you are seeing someone, some people, like you think it looks like beautiful, so their behavior is also good. How can you judge that? It's not possible, because when you are living with them, then you understand what is the behavior of them. And one more thing, like if you go through the judgment, if you are seeing, like we are seeing, like many parents also, when they are talking about their children, so when we are seeing to other children, like we think, okay, he is very good and she is very good, she have a talent, but how can you judge that? Might be like she have another quality and your children have a different quality. So I think we should we don't judge the quality of them. We just think like whatever we have to be increase of that. Like we don't think about to the other. We just understand to each other. That is the way. Like don't judge by the book by the cover. When you are judging by book by the cover, so that is not a good thing, because that is a different thing. When you go inside there, then you understand what is the weakness they have, what is the strength is there, and what is the weakness and strength we also have. So that is the best way.
Yeah, I love the quote, don't judge the book by cover. Like we don't judge by appearance.
Yes.
Plus people judge by appearance. We have to read between the lines. We have to go in deep. And like understanding someone requires a lot of time, patience, and empathy also. Like understand why understanding is difficult. We need to listen to others. We need to listen their stories. It needs patience
Right.
and see things from their perspective, from their perceptions. Because judging is fast and it's required little efforts. Because if someone is doing something, we judge quickly. Oh,
Right.
okay, she is doing and he is doing something like that. So, but true understanding involves emotional intelligence and willing to learn about others. Because we quickly judge someone by their habits, by their like they are doing something. We judge someone easily. If the boy and the girl sitting together, we judge someone quickly, like
Right.
they are doing. So why? If like judgment is so easy. So yeah, and like we can avoid quick judgment by more open-minded. Like nowadays, people are become open-minded. They don't judge quickly, but somehow people judge.
Right. So when we are talking about the villages people, like they are thinking, okay, something is facing there, like what
Yeah.
like some one boy and one girl are sitting and they are from the other background. So why they are sitting to each other? Because in their village that type of society is not there, so they think always like in a negative way. So that is why like we all are the open minded and we are living the city, so we all knows like that thing is happened. There is nothing like that. Like they are just talking, might be they are discussing something and their education rates, because why that way they are also growing. We understand, but they are not thinking about that. They think like if one boy and sitting together, it means something is facing. And when we are talking about the city place and not about the city, like when we are talking about the other country also, so why they are not judging? Because they know that they are understand better their life. Because when they become adults, so they have a good decision power also. We have to give the guidance, but they have a own good decision. So if we are not giving the power, we are not giving the power to them, like you have to take their decision on, so how they will be growing up. So we have to give the freedom also, so that way they can also take their own decision. that,
Yes,
that is why.
definitely. Because in cities, like people are living with each others, so they know everything. So that's why. Okay, ma'am. Do you have any questions? Just go ahead.
Okay, so actually I don't think about questions. So yeah, so like you are from the Agra, so there is famous thing is the Taj Mahal, right?
Yeah.
So you you just express your thought about in a one or two sentence. What is the beauty of Taj Mahal?
Okay, Taj Mahal, like I have been there for a once only. So like the beauty of Taj Mahal is like the white marble, and there's a lot of foreigners. If you have to communicate, you can communicate easily with foreigners. Like nowadays we are learning English. We have to experience things. So we have to go and talk to them, because virtual communication is far different than real
Right,
communication.
right.
You know your weakness, you know how to express your thought, is I'm able to convey my thought and
Alright.
convey my message to other person. So it is very factful for your communication. And second thing, you enjoy a moment, like if you are going with your family, you enjoy the time with white marble.
Yes.
So this is a beauty of Taj Mahal.
So did you ever try it?
Yeah, like I have been there for once only, so I never tried. That time I not started my video journey. So,
But
but
yeah,
in future I have planned to go. So let's see.
yeah. So you post the video so people can also see. Viewers also
Yeah,
can see, right? How we are
definitely.
talking and how
It
we
is
are learning.
fascinating. Like we
Yes.
are going outside, it's very fascinating to convey your thought in English. When you speak in English, you feel more confident. You
Yeah.
feel confident enough. But like confidence, like you feel happy, not confident. You feel happy. Oh my God, I'm able to convey my
Yes, yes,
thoughts.
yes, yes. Right. Absolutely correct.
So yeah, it is
I
very
also have visited in Agra, like when I was in college. That time I visited there.
okay. Okay, like you
Taj
completed
Mahal.
your college from Agra.
No, no, no. Actually, I visited there, not for the study purpose. I will be. I have completed my study from Indore.
Okay, basically you're from where are you from, ma'am?
Basically, no, I'm not from Indore. I born and brought up from the small village that is nearby Gwalior.
Okay, okay. Okay, Gwalior. I have been there, Gwalior, yeah,
Yeah.
for once.
But my in-laws family is from Gwalior.
Yeah, in-laws.
Yes.
Oh, definitely. Great. Okay. You completed your MBA in which field?
Finance and marketing.
Finance and marketing. Wow, there's a lot of money in finance.
Like after getting kids, we have to quit everything. Like we can't start our journey as a career because we you
Okay.
have a lots of responsibility. That is why.
And that's why you have a good confidence. You
Yeah,
have a
I
good
don't know.
confidence in your face. Like, yeah, like
Okay.
you are talking, your experience, your way of communications, like
I
it is
also
good.
learning. I'm still learning, so that is why nowadays I also try to conversation with someone else. Like I'm also talking to you, and that way, like I try to boost my confidence. I'm not talking about the confidence. I'm just talking about to the my pronunciation. Actually, I'm also doing the so many mistakes and my pronunciation and some other things like grammatical mistake. So while we are continuously using this language, so it's gradually will be removing. That is why. So that is why I also created my YouTube channel so that I can be continue my journey.
Okay, but you are starting a journey and you working on your pronunciation, so that is good, because everyday glimpse is a part of your future destiny. So
Right.
that Okay, ma'am. Do you have any question regarding
No,
anything? Just go ahead.
no, ma'am. Thank you so much for having me, for giving this wonderful opportunity. So I will be a part of your channel.
Oh, most welcome, most welcome.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for reaching me out because I loved today conversation because we share two, three questions and like basically judgment.
Yeah.
So this is a good part of our communication. So thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day.